Hello and welcome back to my channel, Paint Fantastic Scenes with Nick. Today I'm doing my largest hydro dip painting ever. It's a 16 by 20 black canvas in a very large tote filled with cold water instead of warm. I used the hose out here in the yard to fill it because I did not want to walk out of here over and over again with buckets of warm water filling the tote, because that would take a long time and a lot of my energy. So I don't know if the cold water is going to make the paint dry quickly. It probably will, but we're gonna see what happens. So y'all ready? Let's do this. All right.
If you like this video, please give it a like and share it. And if this is your first time here, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification icon so you're notified every time I upload a brand new video. And if you are a subscriber, welcome back. How are you? Be sure to stay tuned to the very end for additional hydro dip tips and ideas. you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. I look forward to your comments and answering your questions. I had someone ask me if bubbles and craters on a hydro dip painting are common. They are. The bubbles usually pop on their own and they're really nothing to worry about. The drops of water sit on the wet paint, creating the craters. The paint dries first and then the water evaporates later, leaving the craters behind. To eliminate craters, simply suspend your painting upside down and let it dry. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If there's anything else you want to see me hydro dip, please let me know. I hydro dip the canvas and then I paint a scene. I like to hydro dip things, but I also like painting scenes. I just use the word scenes twice, but that's all I know how to rhyme. Thanks for watching my video. I'll see you next time. Take care. See you later. Thanks for watching. You're all awesome. For additional hydro dip tips, footage, and information, please check out my playlist to my left.